going on, man? You all right, bro? You all right? Come on, let's go. Let me show you. Look, you miss Benny missing out on all the action. Come on. All right, so we have walls. We have framing in it. So the shape of the building is starting to take and come to life. But anyways, this right here, this will be our main entrance. And this room is gonna be our reception area, kind of the area where we are going to greet everyone, welcome them to ActivAge Sarasota. This is gonna be our little transition room, a place for them to store their personal belongings. So there's kind of 2 locked doors. Once they come in here, boom, we're in the building, ActivAge. So this entire open area is just here to have fun, to play games, to do activities, to do exercises. All of it happens right here in the middle of the building. And the reason for that is because we move our activities around our folks. And it makes it easier for us to do multiple activities throughout the day and have a lineup from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every single day. This room right here is gonna be a special area for those that have later to maybe advanced stages of Alzheimer's, where we can do a little more one-on-one. We can help them kind of like do a little bit more intimate activities that are going to be specific to those that might have Alzheimer's disease or late stages of dementia. This room right here will be our resting room. So for those that are tired, they're not feeling well, they're sick, we have a place for them to put their feet up and relax. This room right here is our kitchen. So we're gonna prepare all of our meals right here. Eventually this will be a door that kind of goes up and down, and we'll be able to serve all of our meals out of here. So that way our team can just go, boom, boom, boom. They can grab and go, load up the carts and take them all out to our folks, and they can have meals for that day. Because we're gonna actually take care of around 80 to 90 people a day in this space. Around here, hey, the team asked for it, so we got an amazing team. If they ask for it, they're gonna get it. So we gave them a nice little break room, a place that they can just take a moment to breathe from all the activity they're doing that day. We gave them their own private bathroom. That's a big deal, especially for our ladies. I did that for you guys, 2 more bathrooms here. We have a laundry room back here. So we'll have kind of our laundry, our utility room, 2 more bathrooms off of this, so we can kind of serve the folks that are on this side of the space. On that side of the building there, through that little opening there, it's actually gonna be our guest services. On the other side of that will be our administrative offices. So we'll have an administrator and 2 other admin functions that will be able to have an office area so they can meet with family members, they can sit down and have discussion with team members, and all that'll happen in those rooms over there. This will be our lifeguard station. So what's cool about this is this opening right now, this is gonna be a window, but it's actually coming out at an angle. So it'll actually come out to right about here, and then there'll be another piece of it'll almost look like a deck, and it'll create the appearance of a lifeguard stand that you would see on the beach with the angled window. How cool is that? Coming here, we got our, again, it's a nursing station. It's a place for our LPN to, visit with folks, to see folks, to maybe help them with any of their medications or anything that that they might need or oversee, or if they're not feeling well, checking their blood pressure, checking their blood sugar, we'll be able to do all that stuff right in there. As we come down to this part of the space, this is where, at the very end of this wall, this is where all the activities happen. So this would be where our 16-foot wide by 9-foot tall television is, as well as our stage for live music. As you come down here, again, remember all the activities happen down here. This is where all the fun's happen. This is the heart and soul of the activities. Over here, we have our Fins Up Fitness, where we can do PT, OT, and all those services right in-house. Along this wall, we have a bunch of private bathrooms, so that way we can help people that might need help with incontinence supplies, things like that. We also have a hand washing station over there, so if people just need to wash their hands before a meal, they don't need to use the restroom, we have an easy way for them to do that. Over here, we got the Ocean Blue Salon and Spa, so people can get their hair and their nails done. And then on this side, we have all our activity storage. So on the other side of this wall is gonna be a room dedicated to just storing all of our activities. But this would be like where the TV is mounted on the wall, and it'll create, it'll be the program that we follow for the day. We'll also have a TV on that side too, and we'll be able to run simultaneously 2 different programs in this center area. 8,000 square feet of just beautiful, fun, and engaging activities This is gonna be awesome. Sarasota, we're coming for you. We cannot wait to support this community. You're gonna love it. Your loved one is gonna love it here. This is gonna be an amazing place, and I can feel the energy already. Can you feel it? Because I can feel it. It's coming to life. Oh wait, I didn't even show you. The Franchise Support Center. You gotta come check it out. Let's go. This right here is our Franchise Support Center, our home office where our administrative team will live. We'll probably use this space for the next 3 years as we build our franchise across the country. This will be our reception area. So if someone comes in, franchisees that are coming in for their discovery day or coming in for training, they'll be greeted by a wonderful receptionist who will greet them at the front door, offer them a water, and share that genuine hospitality that we're made of. As we go down the hallway here, we got an office over here, another office over here. In fact, there's 6 offices along this wall. Right here, we got my office. Finally, I get an office. Finally, 10 years. It's been 10, I haven't had an office. I have not had my own office by myself. Most of the time my office is like Starbucks in my car. So finally, I get a real office that's just for me. I'm super excited. I can put pictures on the wall. I can paint it whatever I want to paint it. I don't know, it's just exciting, you know? All right, this right here is our open area for like support team members, people that might be managing social media, distribution of content, taking care of phone inquiries, following up on the CRM system, IT support, all that stuff. That'll all happen in this room. This is going to be 4 cubicles with up to 16 people. So we have 6 offices over there. We'll have up to 16 people here. And then on this side, we have our studio to shoot all of our podcasts, all of our activity programs, because we're gonna be taking care of and supporting all of our franchisees by actually creating our own content and having all of our activity programs filmed right here in-house that we can distribute across all of our franchise partners. All right, and then here, our conference room / training room. So when we have our franchise partners come down here, and they're coming down here to train. If we're training or onboarding new team members, we have a place that we can use the whiteboards, we can train, we can talk through different strategies, we can educate and help people understand how to operate or successfully operate an adult day center. On this side over here, we have our, I guess what you call a, I don't know, a little kitchenette area, so we'll have a refrigerator in here, we'll have a sink and stuff like that, a place to kind of prepare some light meals. And that way if we're catering food and we're having an event here, we'll have a place to store everything and kind of a place to set everything up, whether we bring it to the conference room here or whether we bring it into the main room here. So anyways, guys, that's it. It's coming together. It's never felt so real until the framing went up, and man, what a difference that made. So next up is electric, and then we got plumbing, and then we got HVAC, and then put drywall up and start putting all the little finishing touches, and then start painting, and then put the floor down and get this thing ready to serve the seniors of Sarasota County.